Hi guys, Cindy from Scrapbrat, and today we are doing the flip through of the Joy Mail. So we're going to do this, which is kind of standard later in the video after I do a brief explanation of what Joy Mail is. But I just wanted to let you know that we will also be including some of the things that we had made during the mass make. So we'll have a couple of tags and a couple of the makes that we made. I will link the video below, the playlist below. Excuse me, so sorry. On that has how we made some of these items. And none of them are really decorated. I leave that up to y'all for when you receive it. You can decorate it however you want. That needs some stickers put in it. But these are some more of the things that could be in the Joy Mail. There's no guarantee that you're going to get these. Obviously, these are going out today. There's no guarantee that you will get all of these, but a variety of, these aren't all that we made, but a variety of things like this is what you will be receiving. So along with everything that we go over that will be in this. So hope you enjoy, hope you stick around to the end, and hope you make a comment below and use the hashtag spread joy. So enjoy. Thanks. And if you're not familiar with Joy Mail, it's something that I do on my channel. It's hashtag spread joy. And how you enter to be a recipient is you use the hashtag spread joy. You tag me either on your channel or your social media or just in your comments down below. You any of my videos, you can say hashtag spread joy, and then you go into how you spread joy. The idea behind it is that others will see it and read it, and in turn want to spread joy themselves, either be inspired by you and do the same or something similar, or just have a feel good feeling about it and go out and spread joy. And then once a month, I draw 2 names, 1 subscriber and 1 creator. Creators can do this too. You can do it on your channel. And you just do basically the same thing. Use the hashtag spread joy and go into how you have spread joy, either buying a coffee for a coworker or sending out happy mail just because, opening the door for a stranger. I mean, it can be something as simple as smiling at someone, just to offer joy to someone else, and in turn you get joy for yourself. And spreading joy brings on more joy, and we need that in the world. So that's the idea behind the hashtag spread joy and the Joy Mail. So what you're actually here for today is to see what the possibility, this is one that that we have made up, and that does not mean that everyone is going to have the same thing in it. It will be very similar, but obviously there's only so many pieces of vintage wallpaper like this. So I usually put in a couple of pieces of vintage wallpaper. This one is actually a really tall border. Excuse me, and you're going to have to bear with me about my voice. I'm so sorry. I've said in the past videos that we are in spring here, and I'm a little hoarse right now. A couple of pieces of the computer paper with the tabs on the side. I don't know what you call those. The old computer paper. A couple of pieces of music paper. This I only have so much, so it's only going to be for the first couple. It's like packing. It's just pretty. I figured somebody may know how to use it. I don't know how to use it. I know it melts really cool, but I kept a tiny bit for myself, and the rest I put in Joy Mail. And there's a couple more pieces of vintage border. And there is I think there's 2 of these doilies. Yeah, there's 2 of these table doilies. And I put this in the center so it doesn't get it creased. And then these big envelopes, and I'm going to show you how to use these in a future video. I make journals out of them, and it's all packaged. I have crumbs everywhere. old paper crumbs. This is my shipping package. So when you do receive a joy mail, be on the lookout for that. Be on the lookout for the crazy flamingos. Okay, and this, come on, are some of the other things that you could possibly receive. Come on. Oh, there's more. Oh, there's more. Is that it? That's it. Okay, so the envelope, a couple of pieces of handmade paper, some more handmade paper, various die cuts. I include a piece of the cork tape and the tin tape that we use a lot. I usually give you guys a pen, some guest checks, a couple of different random receipts, just so you can stamp on or collage with or whatever you want to do with them, just so you can kind of get a variety of them. And flashcards, old postcards, fake old postcards, some newer postcards, and more flashcards. So you can make this that we made the other day. Now, all of this will usually be bound in a decorative tissue paper. These are some cards from a local shop, and I bought an entire box of them. So I put in a couple of those, just cool. But I usually wrap it in a decorative tissue paper that you can use to collage with or decoupage or whatever. These are, we've used them before, but these are some of those laminating pouches that don't need a machine to laminate. A couple of things of tickets. Some of this really cool stuff. I don't know what it's called. I think it's called honeycomb paper. And there's a couple more pieces of the handmade paper. Little piece of receipt tape that has been coffee dyed so you can make your snippet rolls. Usually put in a little vintage lace. Sometimes I'll put in a plain card with washi. Sometimes I'll put in different types of envelopes. I put in just various different things, like the one that is going out today has this that's going in it, and a couple other things that I don't really want to show in case she sees it. I would like for her to be surprised. But yeah, so, and you can always, I try to go by what I hear you talk about, what you've mentioned before. If you ever say like, oh, gee, I wish I had, well, if I have it, you're probably going to end up with it. So it's just the way I am. So that is what is in a joy mail. And now just for the task of getting it into the envelope, because by the time that I am done with these, they are completely stuffed. And yeah, so, but I hope that this inspires y'all to share your story and to want to be a recipient of the joy mail, because I would really like to send you some, you know, I really, really would. So whatever you do today, just go out and receive joy yourself. Be kind to yourself and others, and do whatever you can to spread the joy and love one another and be kind. And until next time, guys, much love. Thanks. Bye.